You've been smiling at nothing since morning. What's going on?
It's not nothing, it's someone.
Ah, finally. Who is the unlucky guy?
It's Mr. Dan.
Your teacher? I don't know when it started, Lizzie. The way he talks, the way he explains things, it's like he sees me. No, don't say that. He doesn't see you like that, Amaka. You don't know that.
Amaka, what are you doing here?
Good evening, sir. I came to see if you needed help with anything.
Help?
Yes, like cleaning or laundry, anything.
Video you just watched was created with complete free AI tool. By the end of this video, you would learn how to generate consistent images, convert your images into videos, and also edit them all together. Remember, this video was not created with Grok AI. Grok AI is now expensive, so this video was created with a free AI tool and my phone. So do well to stay to the end of this video so you won't miss out on any step. Meeting me for the first time, hi, I'm your YouTube big sister, and on this channel I teach you everything you need to know about AI content creation, YouTube automation, and also how to make money using AI. So do well to stay to the end of this video and subscribe to this channel so as not to miss out whenever a new video is dropped on this channel. So without further ado guys, let's dive in straight into the class. So guys, the first step is to generate our story. There can be no video without a story, right? So we have to head over to ChatGPT. You can use Claude AI if you know how to use it. If you prefer it, fine. Claude AI is also good for prompt generation. It gives human-like scripts, right? But for the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to be making use of ChatGPT. So we open it here. I already told ChatGPT my story idea, right? I've told it the story I want to generate is a story of a student that is crushing on her teacher, right? So I told ChatGPT and ChatGPT refined my story. Your own story can be about the king and his queen and the kingdom. You can just come up with something that is relatable, something that is really, really nice. Give it to ChatGPT and it will come up with something very beautiful. If you're interested in my story or if you're interested in the kind of prompt I used to generate my story, comment prompt in the comment section and I will send it to you. So here it is. So guys, for the next step, I told ChatGPT to generate the scene for me. The scene, SCENE, the scene and the dialogue for me, right? Because what you want to create is a dialogue video, right? So ChatGPT generated the scene. It gave me scene 1, scene 2, and scene 3. Yes, because I told you to give me 3 scenes. Yours may be 4 scenes, 5 scenes, 10 scenes, depending on your prompt. So guys, for the next step, we have to generate our images. Before that, we have to tell ChatGPT to give us image prompts for our story. So I'll just simply type, give me image prompts for this story. Make sure it captures the main message and it is very realistic, right? So you have to prompt this thing well. Remember, it's AI. You have to be very, very, very specific while prompting it. So we have to click on this arrow and allow ChatGPT give us our image prompts. So guys, our image prompts are ready. It gave us how many? It gave us 10 image prompts. So we have to head over to an AI tool to generate our images. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to be making use of Flow AI to generate our images. Feel free to use any image generator of your choice, be it Whisk AI, ChatGPT, or even Google Gemini, or even Whisk AI. We have different options, right? So I have to go back to my Chrome browser and I will type in Google Labs FX. That's where I can find Flow AI. So this is Google Labs FX. You have to tap on this first one. So look at this is what the interface looks like. You have to sign in with your Google account or your email account. So I've already signed in. Then this is what the interface looks like. We have Project Jenny, we have Wix AI, we have Flow, and we have Music FS. So we are going to tap on Flow, tap on Launch Flow, and allow it to load. So you tap on Create with Flow. What we have to do is to tap on New Project. Okay, so we've gotten to this place. What we have to do is tap on this imagine here and make sure it is on image. Please pay attention. Make sure it is on image. Then the aspect ratio, you can choose 16:9 because this is YouTube video. But if you want to create for TikTok or Facebook, you can tap on 9:16, right? You can tap on 9:16. Then you have to come over to this place. We have Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana 2, and Imagine 4. You can leave it at Nano Banana 2, right? Then I don't know if I should change this aspect ratio to 9:16 because I want to use this video for my TikTok. Let me change it to 9:16, right? Yeah, then that's it. Then we have to click on this place and paste in that our prompt we copied from ChatGPT. Please follow gently. You have to tap on this place, paste it, right? Then we now have to click on this arrow and allow you to generate our picture for us. As you can see, it is generating. So while we wait for it to generate, have you liked this video? Have you subscribed to this channel? Please do well to do that so as not to miss out on any video whenever it's dropped on this channel. Guys, as you can see, this is the image of our marker. It followed our prompt, right? So it even generated 4 images for us. So I'm confused on the one to download. I think I like this first one here. Then you have to long press on it and download, and voila, your image is downloaded. Let me also download the second one. I love it. Yeah, I do. So we do the same thing for Elizabeth. We have to copy the prompt for Elizabeth and generate it. Go over to this place, then paste our prompt and allow it to generate our picture for us. So this is Elizabeth. Yeah, as you can see, she has a very fierce look. It followed our prompt. So I think I love the second one. I have to press and download, and let us generate the picture of the teacher. So we have to copy this particular one and go over to Flow AI. Paste our prompts, and yeah. So after this next step, I am going to show you how to generate consistent images using Flow AI. So stay with me. So this is the image of the lecturer. So we have to download this, and yes. Then we have to move over to the next step. Please guys, pay attention. For you to generate consistent images, this is what to do. Click on this plus sign here. Then click on upload image. Click on your media picker. Then for this first scene, we want just Amaka and Elizabeth to be in the scene, right? So what we have to do is to tap on the picture of Amaka. Tap on it. Click on this plus sign again. Click on upload image. Click on media picker. Tap on the picture of Elizabeth, right? So we want just the two of them to be here. So we have to head over to ChatGPT to copy our first scene. So here is our first scene. We have to click on this arrow and allow it to generate our image for us. So can you see it? You have Elizabeth and Amaka in the same picture. So what we have to do is to click on this first one and download. For the second scene, we want just Amaka. That's the one, the lady with the ponytail. We want her and her teacher to be in the same scene, right? So what we have to do is to click on this plus sign, click on upload image, click on our media picker, and select the teacher's picture, and also select Amaka's picture. So we have to head over to ChatGPT to copy our prompt and paste it here. And paste. click on this arrow and allow it generate our image for us. So guys, can you see it? Yes. So what we have to do is to tap on this place and download. So this is how we continue until all our images, our consistent images, have been generated and downloaded. Then move over to the next step. So guys, now that we have assembled our images, the next step is to get our videos. This is the part where it gets very interesting, and I know that most of us have been waiting for this particular part. So we have to go over to our script, and we have to copy our script. That's our dialogue. We don't have to copy more, just this, so that our AI app will be able to grasp everything. So the tool we'll be using to animate our images is called YouTube AI. YouTube AI. So we have to go over to our YouTube page. If you don't have a YouTube channel, it can't work for you. So you have to download your YouTube channel. So you go over, this is my page. Then you go over and click on this plus sign here. Then you go to shorts. Make sure that you are in shorts, right? Then you see this icon here, this Gemini icon here. You tap on it, right? Yes. Then you will see create video. You see image, background, photo to video, make me move, music, right? This is a new feature in this YouTube space. So what you have to do is to tap on create video. Then you tap on this plus sign and import the image you want to make talk. So we have to import, let's say, this image of Elizabeth and her friend here, right? Then we now have to paste that prompt we copied from ChatGPT, that dialog prompt. Please pay attention. So this Elizabeth, we have to say, put in bracket, the one with the afro. Please make sure that you're specific so that this AI will know who said what. Then Amaka, we put in brackets, the lady with the ponytail hairstyle. You have to be very specific. Remember, Elizabeth, put it again, the lady with the afro. Good. Amaka, this is how you continue until you have specified your images. Then you can now prompt it. So we now have to click on this arrow and allow it to generate our video. It doesn't take time, right? It doesn't take time. You have to exercise a little patience for it to come up with something beautiful. So guys, our video is ready. Let me play it for you guys to see.
You've been smiling at nothing since morning. What's going on? It's not nothing, it's someone. Ah, finally. Who is the unlucky guy? It's Mr. Dan.
Okay, so guys, can you see? It is well lip synced. The hand gestures is so natural, right? So what you have to do is to click on this download button and you download your video. So guys, now that we've downloaded our videos, we are not going to click on next, because if you click on next, that means you want to upload it to your channel, and I don't really want to upload it to my channel. This is just for tutorial purposes. What I have to do is to click on this arrow sign here. That means for you to go back, because we are not done with our video, right? What we have to do is to remove this particular prompt, then copy our new prompt and paste so that our new video will be generated. So I've pasted our second prompt. Let us click on this and allow it to generate our video. So guys, our second video is ready. Let me play it for you guys to see.
Your teacher? I don't know when it started, Lizzie. The way he talks, the way he explains things, it's like he sees me. No, don't say that. He doesn't see you like that, Amaka. You don't know that.
So guys, can you see that? Can you see that? This is well lip synced. The hand gestures is so perfect. Like, this is so nice. If you want them to talk with Nigerian accent, you can prompt it that way. If you want them to talk with British accent, You can prompt it that way. If you even want them to talk with American accent, you can prompt it that way. Everything lies on your prompt. So what we have to do is to click on this download button and download our video. So this is how you continue until all your videos have been generated. So I'll play the final outcome for you guys once I'm done generating the video. So guys, now that we are done downloading our videos, the next step is to assemble them with CapCut. We have to edit them with CapCut. Feel free to use any video editing tool of your choice, be it InShot, be it Edits. Feel free to use any one of them. So I will just have to bring in all my videos and edit them. So here they are. Then I'll have to go through them, remove all the excesses, put my text if I want to, and put other necessary things to make my video come out so nice. So I'll play it for you guys once I'm done editing. So guys, our video is ready. All right, let me play it for you guys.
You've been smiling at nothing since morning. What's going on? It's not nothing, it's someone. Ah, finally. Who is the unlucky guy? It's Mr. Dan.
Your teacher? I don't know when it started, Lizzie. The way he talks, the way he explains things, it's like he sees me. No, don't say that. He doesn't see you like that, Amaka. You don't know that.
Amaka, what are you doing here?
Good evening, sir. I came to see if you needed help with anything.
Help?
Yes, like cleaning or laundry, anything.
Well, since you offered, there are some clothes there I haven't had time to wash.
I'll do it, sir.
You don't have to stress yourself.
It's not stress.
You're a very, dedicated student.
I just like helping you. Sir, can I talk to you?
Make it quick, Amaka. I have somewhere to be.
I've been wanting to say this for a long time.
What is it?
I like you. No, I love you.
Amaka.
I know it sounds crazy, but I can't help it. I think about you all the time. I just needed you to know.
Listen to me carefully. This is not right.
Why?
So, that's it?
Yes.
I'm sorry, sir.
So guys, can you see that? This app is so beautiful, so amazing. When I found out about this app, I was so excited, and I was like, I have to share it with my community. Remember, we don't gatekeep here. So guys, please pay attention. To get the best use of this app, you have to learn how to prompt. In fact, why prompting? Sometimes where the man is supposed to talk, the lady will talk. And where the lady is supposed to talk, the man will talk. This is AI, right? So make sure you describe it well. Let's say you want the lady to talk, you will describe the lady. You understand? If you want the man to talk, describe the man so that the AI will not misplace the lady for the man. You understand? So this is how you can do it and come up with your video. And remember, this is a free AI tool. You don't have credits, you don't have to subscribe. This is a free AI tool. You can keep generating your videos no matter how long it is. That's if you have the strength and if you have data, right? You are good to go with this app. So guys, if you've watched up to this extent, remember that this is a full course. If you've watched up to this extent, do well to give me a thumbs up and do well to smash the subscription button so as not to miss out on any video whenever we drop it on our channel. And do well to share this video because most of us are confused on the apps to use to generate our videos. So do well to share this video so that it will reach a wider audience. And also, I've pasted the link to my Telegram community in the description box. This is where you can access all my prompts. This is an amazing community you can join if you want to grow in your AI content creation. So do well to join us today and you won't regret it. So until I come your way next time, take care and bye-bye.